memories for a lifetime here at Canada's toughest 3rd mile oval. Canadian RV, green, green, green.
Even start for the field as Christian Laval pulls out to an early lead as Kyle Novus all over the back bumper. He'll get by Johnny McIntyre. Contact between the 53 and Victoria McLennan. They almost go 3 wide into turn number 1. Kennedy on the outside.
Everybody is really hungry for those points and trying to get up front as fast as possible. 20 laps may seem like a long time, but boy, do those laps go down quick.
Victoria McLennan still working on the inside of the 9 machine of Sean Kennedy as he's running in the 4th position, trying to get by the 89. Meanwhile, the battle up front continues.
Kyle Novus making a move on the inside of Laval. He got up to the door. Laval gave him the room. He's down on the inside. He makes the pass. He's your new leader as they cross the line. Kyle Novus, Christian Laval, Johnny McIntyre, Victoria McLennan, Sean Kennedy, your top 5.
All the way down to the rumble strips. It was Kyle Novus taking the lead away, and here comes Jacob Kelly in the 8 machine. He's going to get by Sean Kennedy. He's in a load of trouble on the high groove.
Here comes Tegan Stanley. He's trying to get down on the inside of Sean Kennedy. Sean Kennedy.
Oh, contact!
Contact, but he basically parked that thing right in between Stanley and Kelly. Talk about a super good move of knowing where the edges of your car is.
That's a move he needed to make to get to that inside lane. He was losing positions fast as Victoria McLennan. She is looking on the inside of Johnny McIntyre as that inside lane's opening up, and here comes Kelly on her bumper.
Kyle Novus doing as much as he can to spread the distance between him and Laval.
Tegan Stanley, he's now on the outside lane of Sean Kennedy, and here comes Kelly on the inside of McLennan. McLennan looking to shut the door, and she will as Kelly is all the way on the rumble strips. Here comes Bates. He's trying the outside lane on Alex Dallaire, the rookie in the series. But look at the battles. We got Sean Kennedy and Kelly all the way on the rumble strips. Now he's going to go to the inside of Victoria McLennan. Sean Kennedy's going to do the same.
Sean Kennedy, Tegan Stanley does the same thing. He moves up into 5th spot. Sean Kennedy in 4th, Kelly in 3rd. No, pardon me. I keep forgetting. There's a car way out front. Kyle Novus well out in front. Sean Kennedy in the top 5, but he is barely hanging on to the top 5.
See how slow that outside lane is? Victoria McLennan losing 3 positions in the matter of 2 turns. That outside lane just does not have a lot of grip as Bates, he's still stuck on the outside of the 46 of Alex Dallaire.
Halfway this time by for Kyle Novus. He's got a full 2-second lead on Christian Laval, Johnny McIntyre, Jacob Kelly.
Oh, Bates very loose in turn 1. He was sideways with Alex Dallaire on his inside. This battle's been going on for at least 4 laps now. They're still door to door, and here comes Kelly making moves. Tegan Stanley, he's all over the back bumper of Sean Kennedy trying to get him loose. They're nose to tail, 2nd to 6th. Kennedy, he's going to try the outside lane. That car can use that here at Canada's toughest 3rd mile oval, but will he have enough to get by?
Sean Kennedy moving the highs, taking a risk on the high side. Tegan Stanley hoping he loses out on the move. The laps are counting down.
Now Kennedy's in a little bit of trouble here. He lost the position to Kelly. Now it's Stanley on his inside. They're going to be door to door in turn 1 and 2. Oh, and the bumper is hanging off Tegan Stanley. Now we got a battle for that 3rd spot. Here comes Kelly on the inside of McIntyre. Stanley always, or he's just on the inside lane trying to hook to the back bumper of Kelly to make that pass. Sean Kennedy's trying to do the same.
5 to go this time by for Kyle Novus, Christian Laval, Jacob Kelly, Tegan Stanley, and Sean Kennedy, your top 5. Kelly and Stanley get by Laval. Here comes Sean Kennedy.
Is that lap 15 or 16?
A 5.5 second lead. Kyle Novus, a full straightaway lead ahead of Jake Kelly.
I was looking at Mr. Kyle here. Take over Kyle.
2 to go. Tegan Stanley looking on the inside of Kelly. White flag flies for Kyle Novus. Checkered flag in the air. Kyle Novus going to the Dirt Heating and Air Conditioning victory lane. Who's going to be second? It's going to be Jake Kelly, Tegan Stanley in third, Sean Kennedy in fourth, John Bates, the 12, in fifth. Then it's Christian Laval in sixth, Johnny McIntyre in the 53 in seventh.